Cesar the Magic Sneezer. Tale 1. On a walk through the park, Cesar sneezed into a squirrel
Ah-choo!
and got fed some peanuts by a friendly little girl. He ate so many, he felt as big as a whale. So he napped on a branch, snuggling under his tail. Tale 2. Cesar's magic sneeze can be just a tad loco.
Ah-choo!
Like the time it transformed him into a cup of hot cocoa. He slid towards some marshmallows to top off his mug, but went a little too far and stained the new rug. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you and your friends never miss an adventure.
Ah-choo!